What's pumping, guys? Golden Gaming here, and today we're back in the video of Wolfenstein. Today I'm going to be showing you some glitches, like silly glitches, but they're quite useful. I've got two packed in for you. So the first one, you're going to want to get up here, but you're going to be on a fairly fast wolf for the second glitch. For this glitch, you don't even have to be good. So you're just going to want to get to here and slowly enter here, and you're out of bounds. No one can see you. They'll be like, hey, he's in the mountain. They can kill you if they find you, but it's pretty cool. It's the glitch is in Stone Mountain. So you have to go there. I recommend you be in a mountain wolf so you don't get killed and raided by other mountain wolves. And that's the first glitch. You can easily exit it by just walking out. Right, now I'm going to show you. It's not really a glitch. This one is just something. You got to be fast. See this little platform thing? You got to bounce off that. That's your key. That's your waypoint. And you're getting over to that mountain. That mountain you're not supposed to be on. So you gotta bounce off it like that. Sometimes you go a little bit further. And there's also other glitches. Like this one, I think. Yeah, this one's even better. Bigger out of bounds. There's just way too many glitches. And that was another glitch. And then the way to get back is just to walk out. But other than that, I'm pretty fast. So then, like, I don't have to wait. Because I'm not that patient with stuff like this. Sometimes I just fly right over there because I'm so fast. And like, look, don't even have to. And all of these are completely hollow. As I said, people can get to you. Well, not all of them are hollow. Oh no! The ones that mainly look like that ain't hollow, because look, he just had. And there's this person trying to kill me. Did you see? Look how many glitches there are in Stone Mountain. If you want a glitch video, I suggest you go into Stone Mountain. It's the best place. Did you see that? Glitching through walls. Remember the last glitch video, guys, where I glitched in the Wild Guardian place? Yeah, I think there's only that glitch there. I gotta find my way out. Sheesh. Ah, here we go. Let's explore up here. I'm just gonna quickly explore up here, see if there's other glitches. No. But remember, there is this one. I like this one. I don't like that one. I don't particularly like it. But hey ho, guys, it's a glitch. What are you gonna do in a glitch video? Yeah, that's right, guys. Glitches. There's a glitch. So I was trying to pull off. And as you can see, slower the walk, the more you fall down. But anyhow, that does it for this video, guys. Try and get like me, like all of this if you are already past me, Wicked, try and get like me, so you can do all of these glitches. You can still do some glitches, you just can't do the long distance glitches like the bounce one, which I'll show you one more time. If I can find the thing. Look on the map. Oh, they're all over here. Jesus. Took a while. There it is. Like if you're slow and if you're starting, guys, sorry you can't get to the glitch over to the other mountain. You need to be really quick and see. I'm really fast, so I can just do this stuff. But anyhow, bye. Bye. Whoops. Bye.